The mounting of a heat pump outside, and of course we're talking about an air source heat pump, you have to pay attention to the snow level in your area.
You're trying to avoid areas that would get ice damming or ice coming down or any kind of snow load. It could potentially damage the unit.
We put ours up on stilts. We pre-make those in our shop to save time in the field. So we take the poly pad and we put these 4 stilts and we mount them to the poly pad and we bolt them through with threaded rod so they're very sturdy. And then in the field we're able to set that pad down on a bed of gravel. The threaded rod sticks up through. We put a rubber grommet and we can set the heat pump right on and bolt it down.
We spend a lot of time, creating a strong base for our system so that it's permanently mounted in a level fashion. Because the fan motor is all balanced, you want everything to run like it was optimally supposed to be running. Make sure that that thing stays where it's supposed to stay.
Mounting these with a pad with the proper heights is something that we're very successful with. You can't have the unit be buried in snow. It's not going to function. It has to have airflow.